All right, Golden Wickwire here. We got some universal yums that we're going to be testing out today, see what they taste like. I'm Golden Wickwire. This is Mrs. Wickwire. And I'm going to pass it off to her to give you the details on what is involved in this box.
So this is a monthly snack subscription box with snacks from around the world. Our first box is from the United Kingdom and it contains 12 snacks. There's 3 different sizes of snack boxes and we will put a link below.
All right, now we're going to open this bad boy and see what we got. This is what it looks like when you first open it. Got a handy dandy little, what is this here? Oh, it tells you all the places that it came from. And then back here, it's got a little scoreboard that I guess you can rate your items on here and what you think is the best and what you think is the worst. Yeah. And then here's some United Kingdom rejects that didn't make the box because they sucked. All right, we'll go ahead and set that over here. We got another little booklet here. Off we go to the United Kingdom. What does this have? It has got some trivia knowledge, got a little trivia challenge there, and some other fancied flavors. And then just some fun facts about the UK, you know, hits, song hits, stuff like that. And then a little yum shop that shows some different things on the back. Set that over here. All right. And here's some of the snacks in here. We're gonna be taking turns kind of picking what we got out of here. Fold this down. Taking turns picking stuff out of here and then trying it. And then you'll obviously be able to tell whether we like it or not by our faces. So, all right, let's fold this down so I can see it. All right, we'll go ahead and let you go first.
Let's go with these. These are called Cant Crisp, Ashmore Cheese and Onion, Traditional Hand-Cooked British Crisp. So these don't sound too bad. Basically some cheese flavored potato chips. I'm looking a little bit scared because there's some scary flavored items in the box that I'm seeing right now.
Let's see here. These are essentially sour cream and onion chips. They don't taste any different than sour cream and onion chips to me.
They're a little cheesy. A little oniony, a little cheesy.
But yeah, they're not bad. I don't know.
I got one. Get your.
We've got some water here. Figured we'd wash the palate after every kind of thing we taste so it'll all mix together. All right. So before this started, Mrs. Wickmeyer has a sensitive palate, let's say. So I told her, if we're gonna do this, she's gotta eat everything. There's no things, no, I'm not eating, no, I can't do that. It's everything, no matter if it's good or bad. So we'll see if this works out. These are some honey mustard, I'm assuming chips, yep, flavored potato crisps, which I think is gonna be awesome because I love honey mustard. I think you love honey mustard as well.
Mm-hmm.
So let's dive in.
Smell like regular chips.
Whoa. That honey mustard had a little bit of a nip to it. Like, when it hits the tongue initially, it's like a little spice on your tongue, but then it goes away.
These are Mackey's of Scotland honey and mustard flavored potato crisp. I think the difference between what we're used to here is this is more like yellow mustard versus
It definitely had a nip to it. Like I said, it stung the tongue a little bit at first, but then it went away.
Not bad.
Go ahead and rinse that down.
Definitely gonna avoid that one.
All these chips are like kettle style chips. They're thick and hard. Pickled onion rings.
I hate
She doesn't like
pickles.
pickles.
I'm only
So.
gonna take a little bite of one of these. This is Johnny's Pickled Onion Rings. Has this creepy guy with a accordion crying out with flavor. I am terrified. This is not my jam, folks.
So, all you guys in the comments, if you see her being weak, roast her. Let her know. Gotta go all in.
Thankfully, they're tiny. I don't want to do this. Oh my god.
Oh my god. No. Pickles, that's my jam. I
That
love
honestly
pickles.
isn't that bad. It didn't taste as pickly.
I will eat a whole jar of pickles in probably 10 minutes.
It's more like a vinegar onion taste to me than a pickle. I didn't really catch a pickle out of that one.
I will be crushing this bag after this video probably. Johnny's Pickled Onion Rings, if you like pickled stuff, this is where it's at. It's like pickled Funyuns. I should have brought a paper towel or a napkin,
Oh,
but
I do.
that's alright.
I might need it for
I'll just go hillbilly style and wipe it
Alright.
on my pants. That's what a washer's for. Alright, I'm gonna go and rinse that out because pickled flavor will definitely mess everything up. But those are my jam. I'll probably be trying to order those online.
You say they're vegetarian also, if that's something you're
Okay.
interested in.
In case you didn't wonder, vegetarian probably do me a little bit of good. Alright, let's go with Welsh Potato Crisps. These are lamb and mint.
No, I don't want to do this one.
This is gonna be that's an interesting combo. Lamb and mint. So it's like
I don't even know what lamb tastes like, but
it'd
I'm
be
not
like,
interested in finding out.
let's see here. You can go ahead and grab one. I'll grab
They're
one.
even weird looking.
Come on.
I'm gonna look for the tiniest one I can see. I found a tiny one. All right.
Ew.
No.
Yuck.
I don't understand. This says these are also suitable for vegetarians, so I'm glad to know there's not any actual lamb in here, I guess. I'm not a vegetarian per se.
Oh, I don't know if there's anything
I like
good in
me some
that.
bacon, but I don't know.
That is like
Those
the
can-
grossest potato chip I've ever taken.
Those will go in the trash. I'm
Oh
sure.
my. Oh.
It has a bad aftertaste too. I think
I
we
don't
need a little bit
I can't even
strategic.
I can't even say what
here.
it tastes like. Awful. I mean, there's nothing to compare it to.
Like these should probably go last, or they're gonna be weird. Let's do this.
What did I do? Shortbread. Yep. Make sure you turn around and show the front face of the camera.
This is melt in the mouth, baked by hand. Dean's original family recipes, light and crumbly shortbread rounds. These seem safe enough, especially after lamb and mint. No, also vegetarian society approved.
Well, we'll see. Oh, I can't get that taste in my mouth.
You can probably just split one of these.
All right. They look good.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Really dry.
That should be a challenge.
It was really dry. It's hard to eat.
Maybe for another video, we'll order like 2 packs each of those, and we'll make a challenge out of it and see if you can eat. What is there, 2 in a package?
Yeah, without drinking. It's almost like you
See
need
if
to
you
dunk
can-
them in something like coffee. I don't.
Well, we'll make a challenge, see if we can eat see if you can eat 2 of them in 30 seconds and swallow it. Because that's, I only had half a cookie, and when I ate it, it's like it expanded in my mouth. And my whole mouth was full of cookies. Don't even think about putting what you're thinking in the comments either. All you gutter brain people. Oh, let's get that out. All right, let's go. I'm gonna go with the Chewy Bonbons. Rhubarb and custard.
I've never had rhubarb in my life.
I've never had rhubarb either, so I mean custard's pretty good.
They just look like weeds. I used to grow at our house in.
Would you like to pick your own or? There you All right, let's go in.
Okay.
Wow. That was actually really good. It's like a Starburst. That's what the texture is. It's like eating a Starburst. But it's really good flavor. And yeah. It's like eating a multi-mix, like a strawberry / banana Starburst or something. Doesn't have banana flavor, but same concept. But those are delicious. I'll definitely eat more of those. All right.
Really chewy.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
I think it was delicious.
It actually tastes a lot better than I expected. I don't know what I expected, but it wasn't anything good.
Well, rhubarb is such a awkward word that when you hear rhubarb, you just think it's just gonna taste like poop. But all right, on to you. Let's see what we got.
This is called the Yum Bag. Full of fun and yums. Crazy, sour, wild, crunchy, sweet, and cool. What's that? It says, you know the phrase, good things come in small packages? The Yum Bag is that phrase embodied.
All right.
Okay. Borrow your knife. Trying to cut my hand off.
Only woman I know that takes a power assist knife and opens it with 2 hands.
This orange thing looks good.
But
So I got
it's okay.
orange and white from the Yum Bag.
She's not knife literate. I got a, I don't know, looks like a salted caramel one. Typical hard candy. I mean, mine's just a lemon. It's just a lemon hard candy. At least mine is. Did you get something different? What did you get? You get sour?
A little bit. It's kind of got the texture of Starburst again, but not nearly as crazy as
Really?
that one.
Let me see if I found one of those. I just got a lemon hard candy, and I've had a dozen of those.
I imagine these green ones probably just like lime. Hard
That is
candy.
weird.
It's good. I like that flavor. It's almost
like-
like dreamsicle kind of, but not as.
Well, the weird part is it's split in half. Well, it's solid, but when you bite into it, like half of it slides apart, and the other half is like hard, and one half is like more chewy.
I'd eat those again.
Yeah, I mean not the hard candy, obviously, because you can get that anywhere. Doesn't taste any different than a lemon hard candy, but the one I just had is delicious. Your graphic give me a second.
We're gonna have to fast forward through this part.
Yeah, sorry. We can speed it up so I look hilarious, going my mouth moving 10,000 miles a minute. I've been eyeing this. This is Grandma Wild's Toffee Flapjack with a delicious toffee flavored topping. $18.99. Looks like a little brownie.
I love toffees. But I have a feeling it's not going to be like the toffee that I typically love, like a Heath or something. Oh, I found out.
Do you want me to rip a piece off, or do you want me to cut a piece off, or?
Cut a piece off. Let's
Okay.
make good use of this knife. I don't want a very big one though.
Well,
It looks chewy.
that's what you get.
Okay.
That's good stuff.
It is good. It's really weird. I've never had anything
It's
like
got the
this.
flavor of like a no. It's got the, I mean, the texture when you chew it of like a no bake cookie. It's almost like it's oatmeal-y.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely like, doesn't
It's
taste
got
like,
oatmeal or coconut or something.
doesn't taste like a no-bake, but
It's good.
yeah, you can definitely taste the toffee and like the flapjack type of texture or taste. But we'll definitely eat more of that. At least I will. I mean, she doesn't have to. I won't force her to.
Oh, it is oat. This is oat bar with toffee topping.
Okay, so that explains why.
Yeah, because it's got like a gritty little pieces. So we got 2 things left. I don't want to do this, but it's still toffee. So
It's got toffee in it. I mean, just get past the banana and you'll be fine.
I don't like banana. I don't like anything really, except for Culver's.
Yeah.
This is England's finest Walker's non-such yummy banana toffee. Whack, then unwrap and enjoy. Just good ingredients. I don't really know what whack means. Okay.
Get it?
I don't know how I'm supposed to whack it, but
You need a knife? You good? Alright.
this will take me half the video to eat a tiny piece. I'm probably gonna
Holy
like.
smokes. I think you could seal coat
I'm just
a
gonna take
driveway
a
with this
tiny
thing.
bite. Yeah, this is. I don't even know what we're gonna do here. Maybe like.
Wow.
It's a good thing we're.
I can cut it. You want me to cut it? Now this is footage right here.
Oh man, I almost
It's
lost
like
my
trying
front
to.
teeth.
It's like trying to peel a piece of tire. Oh wow. Oh wow. I don't want more of that. No thanks. Nope.
It's not bad. It's like really, really
It's
hard to eat.
it's
though.
essentially the UK. What is that thing that's on the stick and it comes
Like
in
a
the yellow
sugar
wrapping?
daddy or something?
Yeah, a sugar daddy. That's
But banana
it. Tastes
flavor.
it tastes just like a sugar daddy.
Actually, the banana flavor is like good. I'm sure it's artificial, but it's kind of got like that banana Laffy Taffy banana flavor, I guess.
It's the same hardness as a sugar daddy. I mean, it's essentially the same thing. All right, this is Bristow's of Devon. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. Made with real clotted cream.
That sounds disgusting.
Whatever.
I've never ate anything with clots before.
whatever
I just
that
wasn't really
means.
clear about that.
So it's the original artisan confectionery, handmade in the UK. Fudge. All right. Go ahead and hand you an individual wrap piece here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take a bite of this too. This doesn't look bad. It looks like a regular caramel.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Ooh. I did not expect that.
Hmm.
Well, in all reality, it says fudge on it, but
Yeah, it's not chewy. It's like melt in your mouth.
when you look at it, I mean, because here in America, we get caramels that look like this, so you think it's going to be super chewy, like a caramel would. And you want another piece? No. But it's not. It's real soft. You bite into it, it just breaks right up in your mouth, and it's super, just like fudge. It's super delicious. We'll definitely eat more of these.
So like out of what we have, I would not.
I'm gonna go ahead and that's the empty box. I mean, I'm sure I don't need to show you the empty box, but that's it.
I would not eat these. Like I wouldn't buy these and eat these.
Yeah. Let's just go ahead and pick our winners and losers.
Loser.
So definitely a loser. Lamb and mint. That's a hard no. Actually, hold on. Let's go ahead and do this so viewers can see it. We got the lamb and the mint. The hard as concrete toffee.
This isn't bad. It's just like so dry.
Yeah, it's
I would say
it's like
no.
shoving 5 saltines in your mouth and eating at the same time. So we got the shortbread. Those are like a maybe because I'd eat them. They're not horrible, but flavor wise.
I'd say all of these would be a yes.
I'm not a fan of kettle chips, so to me, the kettle chips, I probably wouldn't eat them.
So this would be like a winner for me. Like this one would be a winner for you. Because that would be.
Like this, I'm gonna eat this as soon as we get done with this video. So I like pickled, sour. That's my palate. That's kind of stuff I like. So my winner is this, these, and the rhubarb custard. Those are my top three. If I
My
had to
top
pick.
three would be these like cheesy sour cream. These were really good. And then probably these, just
The
because they're
fudge.
really different. They're not something that you can, that I know of, you can find around here. So I don't know, I thought it was fun. If you want to see us do some more taste tests or more subscription unboxing, let us know below. But yeah, for the first time getting something like this and me being afraid to try random things, I think it was pretty good.
If you,
I
have
call
a
it win.
if you have a destination, I mean, China,
I'm a
Tokyo.
little afraid to get certain countries, but at the same time, I'm kind of excited to try some new stuff. So.
And I don't know if she's, I mean, if you have suggestions, just leave it in the comments. Super horrible, nasty stuff, I can already tell you she's not going to be involved. But I'll do my best to shove it down and puke in a bucket if I have to. But just let us know in the comments what you think. And we will see you later. Wick Warriors out.